This is my 1977 C10 pickup, and this one has the common problem that all of these trucks have, where you go to close the door and see that it doesn't close all the way. It's a very simple fix, and I've seen people spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on engine parts and everything to fix their vehicle up. But the one thing they don't bother with is the door. I'll see that time it shut all right. Oh, that time it didn't. But the problem is right here. There should be, I'll show you in this new one, let's turn it the same way. This plastic collar right there, that would go right there. Once this collar wears off, then the doors usually don't shut right, and you have to slam them really hard. And I've seen videos and other things where people get plumbing supplies or electrical tape or whatever, and it'll work for about 6 months, and then they'll have to do something else. But this part will solve the problem. Right there. It's a $10 part. AutoZone, O'Reilly's, the parts places usually have them in stock. I got this one from O'Reilly's. It was $10. And it, of course, takes two of them, a driver's side and a passenger side. So you can spend $20 and fix this problem. I'm going to show you how to do it. Now this problem, it only takes one tool, and it's an Allen wrench. You just stick it in the end of this thing. I can do it with one hand. Give it a turn. See, it just gave way. This plate right there is what this hooks to, the door striker hooks to. Loosen this, you'll hear that plate fall out in the back. No problem. You got two large washers, and I'm going to reuse those. Grab the plate. This is that plate. I couldn't do that with one hand, so I just put it back on that plate and then tighten it up and use that. You can see where the other one was. Just use that as a guide. Hand tight. Put your tool on it. Get it tight as you want it. Doesn't have to be very, very tight. Alright, now let's just check and see how we did. It slowly the first time, just to make sure the bolt lines up. Look at this. Let's see. Look at it. First time. Look at that. And that is job done.